about 2.5 years and maybe 13,000 miles later, my 2018 115th anniversary Ultra Limited. Done some accessory upgrades to it. First thing I did was I put these windshield pouches on it. Those are nice to have. Put this shorter windshield by Freedom Shields. These chrome saddlebag guards, which I think, I don't know, you might not agree, but I think it gives it a nice accent. And what else? Oh, those chrome tie downs. Those are nice to have when you gotta haul your motorcycle somewhere. And probably most importantly is Vance & Hines twin slash pipes. They just give it a little bit more of a rumble. I think it makes them sound good. A little bit more rumble, nothing too obnoxious. One thing I had to do was passenger backrest had a little pinhole right about here, and it was a real tiny hole, but I could see the white stuffing. It drove me nuts, so I replaced the backrest. My cell phone holder. That's nice to have. Of course, I bought a cell phone headset for it. I try to take really good care of it. When I wash it, I wash the underneath engine and transmission pans and everything. So it's nice and I keep it nice and clean. I change the oil every 5,000 miles or less. That's my baby.